Do you like the results of spray starch alternative, but like me, find it a little on the pricey side? If so, stay tuned because I'm going to teach you how to make your own for much cheaper. Hi, my name is Chelsea with Quilted from the Roots, and today I'm going to teach you how to mix vodka. Seriously though, that is all you're going to need besides distilled water to make your own spray starch alternative. You'll take equal parts vodka. I bought this bottle at my local Costco for like $14, and equal parts distilled water. And if you would like to make it scented, you can, but it is not necessary. I just took a couple drops of essential oil and mixed it all in my spray bottle. So equal parts water, vodka, so much cheaper than Flatter and Mary Ellen's Best Press, and I promise you, you'll get just as good of results. Drop a comment below because I know you're gonna love it. Tell me how much you love it, and make sure to subscribe. See you next time.